At World of Oysters, everything is about connection. About our own connection to the water, here in the beautiful province of Salem, that is our home. About the connection we feel to the generations that came before us. And for a part of the oysters, we still harvest from the same areas where our great-grandfather had started. We're also deeply connected to nature, and all our labor centers on creating the best conditions for our oysters under the most optimal and pure conditions. Because the currents, the health of the ecosystem, and the weather conditions determine a big part of the quality of our oysters. Our connections extend to shores abroad, where we work together with oyster farmers from countries like France and Ireland. Because we want to understand the approach of the oyster farmers and build up long-term relationships, we personally visit their farms regularly to meet and discuss the conditions and characteristics of their oyster batches. These visits help us in planning together when their oysters are in the best condition to harvest and deliver to our professional partners. Our connections stretch over the generations and to our farmers across the seas, but also directly to the professionals that work with our oysters. Because we understand what drives them. We know what product they want and when they want it. After all the efforts and energy we put into sourcing the perfect oysters, we take extremely good care of quality control, grading, packaging, and transport of our oysters. All oysters are controlled and packed by hand by our dedicated, experienced professionals and according to high quality standards. Our facility complies with the strict Dutch food regulations and has been rewarded with the highest food safety certification. Traceable and transparent, World of Oysters delivers the best quality in oysters to your kitchen or wholesale. Year-round, worldwide.